Hi guys again. So yeah, so actually what I've noticed, I mean, it is not a secret, but VIM is closely integrated with the text, C-text, okay? But I actually noticed that it does not always work, and it's kind of strange because actually even on a C code, because I thought like it is not working because of C++, but recently I'm using C and it's still, I mean, it is working nearly always. Sometimes it doesn't work, maybe because like the code base is hard, but yeah, I mean, but there is like some really stupid things, like it when I press like go to definition, it moves me to the undef statement, which is really crazy, you know. Yeah, I don't really know, because actually I think it is popular stuff, and I don't think yeah, it's strange, just strange, I don't know. Anyway, so I think I need to try like VS Code, okay? Just to try the go to definition functionality. I don't know like how to do it, and I will not ask like my boss, because he uses it actually, and others, like, I mean, almost everybody uses VS Code nowadays, but yeah, I just want to check this functionality, okay? I don't know whether I will use it or not, even if this functionality is working better there. I don't even if I will be using it, because it's stupid. I mean, no, it's not stupid, but I mean, you need to run it like, yeah, there's like, actually there's like special plugin for SSH, so basically you use it to actually work remotely on a server. Yeah, but I don't know, I don't like this like philosophy, you know, so yeah, definitely I don't like it. This philosophy of downloading all of the files to your PC, and yeah, I don't like it really. So yeah, and overall, like grabbing should be also like slower, and I think it is like yeah, I mean, in general VIM is more easier than VS Code, so I don't think, yeah, I think I will just not try, even not, yeah, I mean, for yeah, I think, yeah, there is no like, I don't even need to try, because even if the try will be successful, I will not anyway switch to it, so there is no real, so there is it is useless, right, to try, even try, and it will not be a fast try, because I don't know how to use it and how to set up, and maybe there is some plugin which I don't know also. So yeah, okay, so yeah, so basically we will stick to this Arch Linux plus MyVM plus Simple Terminal plus Tmux and plus VIM. So we have already covered Arch Linux, VM, and Simple Terminal, and I think I can say like we covered also Tmux, okay? Because actually we can do everything. We can create windows, we can quickly switch between previous and current window, we can rename windows, and it's kind of handy. We can switch between them by using like names, which is kind of crazy. We can also use select mode and actually select some text, and it will be pasted, it will be copied into some buffer, and actually those buffers are going to be stacked. Of course there is like 50 limit. Also we can create some special buffers with some special values, okay? And I think it's kind of cool. Maybe, I don't know, because actually I don't also need it because actually, I mean, in theory it could be cool, but on the practice it is not, because actually I'm using like Control R, okay. So yeah, so basically that's all. I mean, I don't want to like to push the limits or to go deeper in Tmax because I don't see any point. Again, like most of the work is in VIM, okay. So searching, navigation, quickly jumping back, saving some spots, revisiting them, and etc. Okay, so VIM is the only thing I will continue to actually dive deep, okay. And yeah, so this is the plan, okay. Yeah, and maybe yeah, I don't know, like the only thing that is remaining is to create some custom Arch Linux installer. So by this means I mean to prepare some scripts that will do everything, and you will just boot into your operating system. You will just, I don't know, like create a disk mounted and then run the script and it will do everything, okay. That is the only thing, but again, I don't think I need this because I don't plan to crash my disk, so chances are that I will not need it at all. Yeah, and what else? Yeah, also like this mechanism of copy pasting, I think it can be easily changed. It can be easily checked. For example, if I copy some text from Skype, I can, like in general, if I copy some text from some place, I think I don't need to press Ctrl C and that shit, because actually in Xorg there is like actually 2 clipboards, if not 3, okay. Like and the clipboard when you select is pasted when you press mouse button, okay. So I see one possibility is to remap this middle mouse click on something like Control V, right? So something more cooler, or even Alt V, because I'm going to use like Alt Tab for tabbing and then Alt V. It will be cool. Yeah, but with those things, I think we have covered everything. Another point that I want to mention is that I will not use double Tmax, and what I mean by that, of course, if I will record video of showing something maybe Tmax related, I will use Tmax, but in general I will just like spawn with Xinitrc, like Chrome and terminal, and basically that's all what I need for work. And from terminal I will go SSH, and then I will run only one Tmax, which will be run on a server itself. Okay, so yeah, so I don't need to actually care, and I don't think I will actually modify Emacs default. Actually, I will stick to defaults. And the other important thing I will do is I will disable completely some keys like caps lock, escape, and arrow keys, okay. And yeah, this one is for sure. And again, we have a lot of stuff, because actually VIM is a lot of stuff. And even I read like some books on VIM. I think I can revisit them, or there is some other books. Maybe there are also some screencasts or YouTube videos and etc. And of course there is a documentation built in VIM. I completely not sure, but in theory it should be revisited also. It can be revisited also. And in deep theory, I can read source code. And actually I tried it, and there is a video I think, and basically it is kind of fun, really kind of fun. And the idea behind this is that you actually like browse some source file, then you see some function, and you just try to wonder first of all what this function does, and second of all when it is actually running, like in the real usage of VIM. So like when it is invoked and for which moves it is invoked, okay? And chances are that like you see it and you see like, and you understand like what it does, but you have no idea which mechanism, which actual keystrokes are invoking like connected functionality. And of course this can mean that you actually don't know some functionality, and you don't, first of all you don't use it, and second of all you didn't even known about that and didn't have any idea. So that can be also quite good, because actually like reading documentation can be really boring. So all of those things that I mentioned I will be covering in the next videos. So yeah, I'm worrying about that. I don't have anything to show you, because I don't know, end up in some activities that are not showable, like reading books or actually reading source code of my work or I don't know, watching videos. Yeah, so that kind of shit, you know. But actually I can do everything not related to work, like even watching videos or reading books if it's online. Yeah, I think I can comment it. Yeah, so I think we will continue this shit, you know. Yeah, so yeah, I will try to, the one thing I will stick to like regarding those kind of shit, you know, like VIM, Tmax and other like tools that I use, like it is their like configuration, okay? And I don't want, like, I understand that this is like really stupid, right? Because it is actually like made like for everybody, but I mean, it is not made by everybody. It is made that way that it will not hurt anybody, okay? So yeah, and this is like like a world works, okay? Even in bicycle industry, bicycle are made or even I think in everything, like things are made that way that they will fit everybody, and if it will not fit somebody, in theory they can do something and it will fit them, okay? So I know this idea, right? But anyway, I don't want to do it, okay? I don't know, maybe I'm stupid, okay? Yeah, that's all guys, bye.